So next up, guys, just gonna do a quick video. Real nice, clean sleeper truck here. It's a 1999 Peterbilt 377 coming in, local consignor. It's had extensive maintenance done over its life. So we recently did new injectors, new ECM, but it was overhauled about 400 to 450,000 miles ago. It's got that good Detroit 60. 12.7 liter diesel motor. Big super single rubber in the back, aluminum rims all around. Air ride. I think it does have like 1.14 thousand, or so it'd be like 1.1 billion miles for 1,000 there. So 40,000, I guess. But truck starts right up, runs well, 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. Good pre-emissions truck coming from a good home. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up, get you a good demo. He'll give you forward and reverse. I did drive this truck around the lot. It runs very smooth. Probably about as smooth as a shifting truck. See that come through here. The engine brake is on there if you heard it. It does have the mid-roof bunk on it. Heat AC radio, all those things. So there's the demo. 1999 Peterbilt 377 sleeper truck. Go guys, auction time at Old 20.